Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you can add your Gmail account to your Outlook mailbox. To do that, you will need to go to your search tab and type Outlook, or if you have the app on your desktop you can double click to open it. The next step, click on File, and then we will click on Account Settings, and here we are going to click on New. This little window will pop up. Usually, or sometimes what might happen when you click on Outlook to open it, if it's the first time when you will use it, this little window which appeared now will be the first one which you will see. Next step, make sure to type your email address and make sure to be connected to the internet. Now we will click Connect. You might be requested to enter your password to be able to access your Gmail account, so I invite you to do so. So now the settings has been automatically done since I have done it before. However, you might see the request to enter your password. You will have just to click yes, and this should be working for you. Next step, if you have additional email addresses to add, you can always click and go ahead to add. And the setup will start for the second mailbox. Once done, you can go ahead and click close, and then you should be able to see your mailboxes open. What might happen is that you might be not seeing your emails yet, so I invite you to close Outlook and to reopen it again. So I will just go ahead and reopen Outlook again, and it should work. So here I see my initial mail address, or the Gmail address which I have added, in which I have almost no emails, and here is normally the second one for me. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are facing issues with setting up your Gmail account in Outlook, let us know and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.